Hello again, everybody. This is Joseph, and today we're going to be talking about uh, the top post of the battery and doing a load test. This is the one that you've seen before in the other video, and as you can see, the voltage is 12.58 with a good charge. Now we're going to do a test. This does a resistance test. So when I press the test button, the cold cranking amps for this one is 850. You put half of it, which is 425 I put in. When you do the test, you're going to see either pass or fail. So that's, according to that, the cold cranking amp that it can deliver. Watch again. That's half of it. Pass. That means it passed. So it can deliver 800 cold cranking amps, and actually the battery is rated for 825, which is pretty good, obviously, right? Well, today is 80 degrees outside. Possibly the battery temperature is a little warm. We're going to do a cold test. Let's see what the cold test is. Okay, where to go? 800 cold cranking amps at the temperature. So even with the temperature compensator, you know that the battery is good. So a couple of things. First, look at the cold cranking amps. Like I said, it was 825, which means at 0 degrees cold cranking amps. Now remember, as colder it gets, the more amps you crank. And with this one, you either pass or fail. It does a resistance check, and it doesn't deliver any current from the battery to this. These are very thin wires. I don't know if you can see, very small wires. So we're going to do now with the other one.